Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom on mobile. First, you'll need to choose a compatible source port application for your device. Next, you'll acquire the original Doom game files, known as WADs. Finally, we'll cover how to set everything up and customize your controls for the best experience. It's a straightforward process that brings classic gaming to your fingertips. To begin, you'll need a Doom source port, which is an application that allows the game to run on modern systems. Popular options include Delta Touch for iOS and GZDoom for Android, often available through app stores or direct downloads. These ports provide the necessary framework and features for a smooth mobile experience, including touch controls and save functions. Next, you'll need the original Doom game files, known as WADs. These contain the levels, graphics, and sounds. You can legally obtain the official Doom 1 or Doom 2 WADs by purchasing the classic games on PC platforms like Steam, then transferring the files. Alternatively, many community-made WADs are freely available to enhance your experience. With your source port installed and WAD files ready, it's time to set up. Place your WAD files into the designated folder within the source ports directory on your mobile device. Launch the source port application, select the WAD you wish to play, and adjust your touch controls. You can often customize button placement and sensitivity for comfortable gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.